boss. That's my boy, you get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes, you see bump off the proper side.
Hey guys, so right now we're going to the liquor store. We're kicking up our New Year's Eve. We're in the Uber. All I did today was I was filming a tutorial video. So you guys will see how my face looks. Yeah, I kept on makeup all day. Okay, not all day. I did it at like, what time did I do it? At like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And right now it is 5:24. So we're just gonna go grab our liquor for the night.
2017. Them think I smile when I greet them with butter. Bell buckle when I beat them with. Look up at them, you must be think them big butter.
So guys, we're in the liquor store. We are looking for our stuff because we're gonna turn up tonight. Yes. I need cider. I know, I was thinking about it. I feel like you should buy a pack of cider. But do they have the pack? But where would it be? Oh, maybe it's over there. Guys, cider is the best. Like, I don't care. I love cider. They have everything, but not our cider. Oh, see it here? But they don't sell it in the pack. They only have this one. Like, what is that? Oh my god, guys. This is my favorite cider. Summer Bay. I love the pear flavor. The pear one is the best. Yeah, so this is the look I filmed. It looks really nice. This girl, she just wants wine for New Year's. I want something strong. I'm gonna want my head bust right off. I joke, but I want something strong. This little girl only wants like little wine.
No, I'm gonna drink after I drink.
Oh, she's gonna drink after, so she's planning to turn over. True, say she's gonna mix all the liquor together. She's gonna turn right over. Eh? Oh, we're gonna be pre-drinking. Yeah, we're gonna pre-drink and then we are gonna drink. The what? Barefoot is this way. She wants barefoot, but we don't see the one that she wants. We always get the Moscato one for the Moscato one too. It's nice and sweet.
Yeah.
Guys, we are annoyed. We can't find what we want. But we got some stuff in here. I don't know, they're all running up and down. Yes guys, I love Remy. Other than Hennessy, this is what I love as well. Yes guys, we got our liquor and so we are gonna turn up. This is just our little liquor where we're going. Obviously they're gonna have liquor, so we're gonna, you know, enjoy theirs too. What I got was, I didn't end up getting the Remy. I got my Hennessy. I'm a Henny lover. I got a little Mickey because this is just for me. I'm not sharing. I'll get turned up and this is all for me. Yeah. I'm putting on a big foot because I know I'm gonna share. And I got some cider. I got 2 cans of cider for myself. And what my cousin got, Janelle, she got, you know, she got some Barefoots.
They didn't have the Moscato.
They never had the Moscato, the one that we always drink. And she got some cider. She got the, what is this, Buckleberry? What is Brickleberry? Me not Blackberry. Me think of Buckleberry. And she got the pear one just like me. You guys do not mind how my bed looks. It's like it's a disaster. But anyways. And then she also got 6-pack of Palm Bay. You know, some key lime. We're turning it up. Yeah, this New Year's I go sick, I go mad. Yeah, it I go sick, it I go mad.
I go mad, man.
It I go mad. It's New Year's Eve. I already told you guys in the last clip, but I'm here, I'm ready. See, I got my look, my makeup is on, my outfit is on. I'm gonna do a small outfit today, or the night I should say. So I'm wearing a nice denim jacket. I got it from Forever 21. It has some embroidery. Oh, what did I just say? Embroidery. I didn't even talk English. And I'm wearing like this nice distressed t-shirt dress. And I'm wearing some distressed black pants. And I'm wearing my Huff socks. The nose, the ganja socks then. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my cousin to be done getting ready, and my other cousin's gonna come pick us up and we are ready to turn up. You already know it's after 8 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're going there early because my auntie, she wants us to eat some dinner and stuff, and then after there's a house party after. My auntie does not really know that there's going to be a house party, but there's going to be a house party and we're going to turn up. So guys, I got my New Year's Eve dinner. I got some vegetarian lasagna. I have some vegetables. I got some shrimp on skewer sticks. I got potato salad, and I got some rice and peas. The lighting is so bad so you can't really see it. And I got a spring roll. So that is what I'm eating for New Year's before I turn up. I haven't eaten all day and I'm not trying to get drunk. There was an instance where I get drunk. That's a story for another time. So I have to make sure I eat before I drink all this liquor, you know.
Just called to say hi.
I'm gonna play a double six like Lodi.
I know with money. I have no time for that.
That's the deal.
But I know people do it, so I said,
Play a double six like Lodi.
Do you hear?
Me? Casino, you there?
You give me shot it.
No, say you want your shot now. You want your shot now?
Shot glass, you have salt and lime come.
Me not on salt and lime. You have to go take it straight.
No,
It's not tequila.
Whatcha?
no, for no drink it like.
Tequila?
But you shot glass, you shot glass, you put it in your mouth.
Yeah, that's tequila. That's what you do for
I
tequila.
know it alone, you can use shot it. NFC.
Oh, shoop song done.
Paparazzi.
Alive. 10-10.
so who want to keep scoring it? Somebody can keep. Come on, guys. Who's behind? Want to pick 1,000 or something and hold their winning? Wait, who's winning? Who's leading? This team. How much is it? They're on zero. Negative. He's going to zero. Negative.
Negative, no sir. It's almost time, guys.
One more minute.
It's 12 o'clock on my phone. Happy New Year.
It's 12